Brandon here with Tameron Hyundai. Thank you for your recent inquiry on the 2019 Hyundai Santa Fe. You see I've got one right here behind me on the showroom floor, so let's take a look at it. It's been completely redesigned for the 2019 model year with all new LED wraparound daytime running lights in the front, all LED headlights, alloy wheels with nitrogen-filled tires, blind spot detection, standard on the side view mirrors. Now let's take a look on the inside. On the inside of the Santa Fe, you have a lot of standard and optional features such as Bluetooth, backup camera, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and a whole lot more. But that's not the best part. One of the best parts about this vehicle is going to be your warranty. You get a 5-year, 60,000-mile new car warranty, as well as a 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, which we exclusively double to 20 years, 200,000 miles at no cost to yourself. So give me a call at 205-613-9458 and I'd love a way of treating your Tameron.